Okay, so another unboxing video, this time not something that's particularly period correct. It's definitely got a lot of gothic inspired, mosquitoes are bad out here. Gothic expired, yeah. No, gothic inspired elements. I'm definitely not liking the color. They're not the color in the pictures. But I wanted to use it as a raincoat at Civil War reenactments after a few modifications. Oh my gosh, it looks so red. Sure hope that's like the inner lining or something, because that doesn't look brown. I mean, I guess I could paint it. In Asia, it's very popular to have Victorian and Gothic clothing. So it's kind of the only place you can really get that kind of inspired stuff, but that's all it is. It's just inspired. Now, it's obviously polyester. I can tell that just in the pictures. But after the Nuevo reenactment, I really needed some kind of a raincoat to deal with, the atrocious rains. Because they're going to happen again. You just can't avoid it. Oh, it's so cheap. It's already shredding. There's no way these buttons are going to fit through these buttonholes. So they've literally stitched the buttonholes shut. I don't know how well you guys can see that. I know this is the forward-facing camera, not the best one. But I have to do a lot of modifications to this thing. Does this? So what I was looking for was the capes, like an Inverness style cape coat. And honestly, these gauntlet things, they're not too bad. They're definitely too short. And I did a size up, so when this thing buttons, it's going to be huge compared to my really thin. Oh, it's so cheap. Now, I know that like starving children in China are forced to make these things, but the quality control, I'm glad it was cheap. Okay, get away, mosquito. So, after some modifications, it's not really meant to be seen, it's just when it does rain, because it's going to rain at the reenactments occasionally, just something that happens. I figure this might help keep the rain off me, especially if I like use a Thompson's water seal or some product of the sort. And I guess I can use it for just wrapping up the fragile things, because actually I should do a twirl, shouldn't I? I'm sure that's what you guys want. Yeah, it's definitely just meant for cosplay. I don't think it would look bad, but this is brown. This does not look brown. This is brown. This is red. So I might just end up painting it. I mean, I can try dyeing it. I don't usually work with modern fabrics. I'm not feeling confident about dyeing polyester, which this is what this feels like, is polyester, but it's worth a shot, I guess. I should have just ordered the black. I just like to be a little bit different. But I think it'll work for a raincoat. I'll be pretty happy with it, I think, because it's just something to keep me from being drenched.